Yes, good girl. Mr. Magodang Emancipation Park where they do something with foolproof and groundwater. And must say, I ask people them 5 questions, enough 5 questions, I ask people them and some of them couldn't answer. Me I say I be a dead, me a dead with laugh. Watch it, hold on. Me I go put you onto it, hold on.
Alright, question number 1. When baby Moses was floating down the river Nile, where did the baby come from?
The answer is next scenario.
From top of the river.
From the river Nile?
From the basket.
He was in a basket?
The mother.
From it must be from a mother.
Where did it come from?
His mom?
He was in a basket.
His mother had hidden him in a basket, right? And I think he was among some bushes or something. And then Pharaoh's, I think, daughter came and saw him or something that effect.
Whole Bible.
Pass.
Question number 2. How many animals did Moses take with him on the ark?
I know some animals they go on it. There's a number. You have to give a number. Give an answer. None?
No, sir, 2 everything is still. You see me,
2
but
of each animal, so
how much animal really?
in all that would be about
You see the snake too. I will buy them line up
200.
No, so much. Oh, 150.
150 we say.
Yeah,
150 is
monkey.
the answer.
150.
150.
2 of every species. 2 of each.
You sure?
Yes, man. 2 of each.
Noah took the animals.
So how much Moses take?
None.
Well, it was actually Noah that was on the ark.
Alright, he was asked to take 7 out of each kind of animals. 7, I think God said 7 of the clean animals. And then he also mentioned unclean animals as well. I can't remember how many those, but I remember it was a 7.
Yeah, cause God now want a dirty curry goat.
See, drunk crow,
John Crow.
elephant.
Elephant.
A lot, he take a lot.
Take a lot.
None.
He took 2 animals from every species, male and female.
Alright, I hear you. 3. David the shepherd had 15 sheep. All but 8 died. How many are left? 7.
All about 8. 8 left. So you started with 15, right? And 8 were left. So that leaves 7.
7. Jamaican maths and New York maths are the said thing.
None.
All of them died, so all some left.
Well, if all of them die, none are left.
All about 7, as far as I know, 7.
They said all but 8 died.
How many are left?
All but
8. None.
Question number 4. If you worship in a 1-story church, the walls are red and the walls are white. What color are the stairs?
Pink. Wall them red and the wall them white. There must be red and white. I would have to say red and white makes pink.
Oh, so you're not an answer, so you just mix the color them.
There are no stairs. It's a 1-story church.
There was no stairs.
It's a 1 story, so it would have no stairs.
Pink.
Everybody just mix the color them.
I would think that if it's a 1-story church, that there are no stairs.
There are no stairs. It's a 1-story church.
White.
Number 5. How many birthdays does the average person have?
What?
The amount of age you are. So if you are 15, a 15 birthday you have.
I would say 80.
How long an average person live for now?
Well, one birthday for the year. So,
All right. So, wait, what you say?
about 60.
When the birthdays. I would like to think that each person has one birthday.
One birthday.
One.
Everybody have one birthday.
We all have just one birthday.
One Earth Strong a year.
75.
75.
And that means that you are 75. All right, go on you. Go on back to your family. You get about 2 right. A 2 right. You get 3. A 3, you get 3. And a 4.
Oh, I only missed the first one.
You missed the second one too.
I never missed the second one.
Yes. And a Moses have a ark and Noah. Anyways, so I get 1 right, so I get a prize. So then you get 2 out of 5 right. Oh God, you missed it by 1. All 5 questions right. Good. All right, so you're gonna get this King of David, a Father Holongs and Friends production. You get 2 tickets. Hey, good as water. Say cran water, the good as water.
Cran water, the good as water.
Ray. Although your eyebrow them need to do like mine. Cause me can't see it like right now. You see when you're there, eyebrow them, you have to do it like mine. And make the highlight sure. So everybody can see it. Ready?
Too much blush.
She said too much blush and my eyebrow too thick. Congratulations, girl.
Thank you.
Crown water basket and a gift certificate. Say it again.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. That means thanks a lot for all of y'all who don't know French. All right, big up yourself. How much you get right? None. Did I get none?
Maybe so much birthday. One birthday.
Yeah, so you have.
No, we say how much birthday a person have.
Yeah, how much you?